What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video today. My name is Ty, and today I'm talking about part two of my last video I did yesterday about what are the best affiliate programs to promote to make money every month. My last video I did Aweber. I talked about Aweber, how you get 30% of the customer's bill for life as long as they stay a member, and once their list grows, email list grows, their bill gets bigger, your commission gets bigger. So as one program today, we'll talk about a program called Socialpilot, which a lot of people don't know a lot about. But Socialpilot is just a software, a program where it will post your content, YouTube videos, any kind of content you have. It will post automatically to all your social media accounts: Tumblr, Facebook, Google Plus, Reddit, a whole bunch of others, Twitter. It will post all your content, and you can manage all of your social media accounts on one platform. So instead of going to Facebook and managing that, then going with Tumblr and managing that, you can manage all your social media accounts from one place, which saves you a lot of time too, and save a lot of time posting all this stuff on all the social media accounts. So if you promote your ebook, you can promote that on all your social media accounts at one time, and it's a real good tool to have if you're trying to promote your business, trying to promote products through social media. It's a really good tool to use, especially with YouTube videos. People will watch more videos than reading a blog post, so it's really good for YouTube. So Socialpilot does that for you, and their affiliate program is just like Aweber's. You get 30% of the customer's bill for life as long as they're a member of Socialpilot, and their program starts at $10 a month starting out. So you'll get $3 per person, and if they go to a higher plan, your commission gets bigger. Okay, so you might not think there's not a lot of money, but over time, the more people you add on Socialpilot, the more money you'll make. And the more, if they increase their, if they buy anything else to Socialpilot, you get a credit, you get money for that as well. So this is a real quick video about that. Socialpilot is a real good tool. I suggest, if you do have a free trial, I suggest before you start promoting Socialpilot, you need to start using Socialpilot yourself. You can't promote something that you don't use, because if anybody asks you a question about it, or you're trying to promote it through email or social media, you're going to sound kind of dumb because you don't have the product yourself. So if you don't got Socialpilot, it's only $10 a month. It's kind of worth it in the long run. Click the link below. I have a link to Socialpilot. Get Socialpilot, use it for a couple of days, and then start promoting it. Okay, sign up to be an affiliate. So this is Tyrone for thexking.com. Thanks for watching my short little video, and I'll see you next time.